Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Guess what day it is today? Boop, boop, boo. Happy mail! Yeah, baby. I have no idea who this one is from. I can't wait for it. It feels like it's packaged really well. It probably says it there. I didn't read it. I'm so good. Such a restraint. And Crochet Carla, I got your card. Yay. So I haven't opened that either. Thank you. I wanted to share it with you. Open that. Llama, wish you a Merry Christmas. That is seriously adorable. Thank you so much, Carla. That is sweet. Oh, and then she wrote inside, oh, her daughter made it. So Carla designed it, and her daughter did the artwork. Check that out. That is talent right there. Oh, good for you. Thank you so much. I'm giving it a quick read. Oh, I'm so happy. Thank you so much. Yarnery yours. I'm going to start signing my cards that way. Thank you so much, Carla. You are the sweetest ever. And she put a lovely stamp on the inside. Oops. Oh, thank you. That makes me happy. I'm putting that on my shelf right here. That's so cute. Now this one, I did not open it, so it's going to be a bit loud. So I will put on some music. Maybe I should have gotten scissors. Maybe I still need to get scissors. Okay, hold on. Okay, where's scissors? This way. Ow, sorry about that. Found a pair of scissors. I want to not wreck it. There we go. Oh, it's a box inside. Oh, Merry Christmas. That's so sweet. Let me see if I can get it out. I can. Oh, look how cute that is. It's a whole Christmas box. Oh, it's adorable. Let me see if I can get the tape off. I can. Okay. And the other side. It's nice tape. It's really thick. I have tape envy. Our tape here is not that great. You can buy some actually at Game. You know where we went swimming pool shopping. They have decent tape. Okay, let's see. Oh, from... See, I'm still in the Christmas mood. Hold on, probably my husband. He's gonna call back. All right, now, Jeanette Jones from Florida. Thank you so much. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful self-addressed stamps. I always wanted those when I was a kid. Oh my gosh, he's so fast. Yeah, babe. Okay, hung up. He's very good at hanging up. Okay, Miss Krista Patel. Oh, Mrs. Krista Patel. Ooh, so fancy. Hard to think I'm all grown up. Oh, and a matching sticker on the back. What? Wow. So the sticker on the back that seals the envelope matches the self-addressed stamp thing on the front. I'm not joking. You know why I put a song I like. Yeah, babe. Okay, thanks. Okay, bye. Ooh, and it's so classy inside. You see that? Metallic. It's a little curved. Let me get it out. Eee. Eee. Oh, there it is. One side's not opened. Oh, it's a fancy one too. Christmas is in the air. Was I gonna focus on it or what? Oh. Oh, ooh, I got a letter. Okay, I better read this after. Oh wow, it came here so quick. She wrote it December 6th, and I got it even before Christmas, but I was just waiting to share with you. Oh, you're the sweetest ever, Jeanette. I am going to just keep this and read it in a few minutes. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, okay, I'm not reading it now. I'm going to cry. I don't want to cry. Okay, back to the box. Look what's in there now. Tissue paper, which I love. Ooh. I don't want to throw anything out in it. And I love tissue paper. I have a collection. Oh, there's something inside. Oh, what? Get out. Look what this is. A headlight. Yeah. Who's thinking of me? Yes, exactly. Make sure my clip's out of the way. Okay, hold on. Let me see if I can turn it on. Oh, it's going to work. Okay, hold on. Oh, there's settings. Okay, hold on. Oh, this is going to be great. Oh, and it flips. Look. Oh, I like it. Okay, hold on. Look. Oh, I want to do a little crocheting. I don't have any yarn nearby. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Oh, I like that. That's really handy. It fits really nice. It has that elastic at the top. That's really nice. I better find the brand so I can tell you guys. Let me see. Oops, make sure I get it turned off. LED headlight, where would it tell me? So 3 AAA batteries. Doesn't have the brand on it, but we can ask Jeanette. Jeanette, can you tell me the brand so I can tell everybody else about it? That's awesome. Okay, so there's one light. Can you see? You might go blind. Okay, 1, 2, 3, you're gonna go blind. 1. Oh my gosh, SOS. Or off. Okay, so there's 1 bar across just with the 4 LEDs. I don't know if you can see, maybe if you like turn it that way. Just with the 4 LEDs across, and then you can have all of them on, and then you can really bother somebody. Can you imagine? I can do that to my kids. It'd be like instant party. They'd be like, Mom. Oh, I love it. That is so cool. Thank you, Jeanette, and thank you, Carla. That made my day. I kept them under my tree the whole time. Thank you so much. You guys are the greatest. It means the world to me. Thank you so much for sharing and sending it this far away. Ooh, you make my heart warm and juicy. Thank you so much. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow for the live chat. We are announcing the 12 days of Christmas winners. So yay, I can't wait. And I can't wait to say hi to you all. Mwah. Have a great day and stay hooked. I didn't do the thumbnail. So now I have to hold it shut and then do a little picture. That's me. Welcome to my life.